Welcome back to my YouTube channel Driven Daily, and today we're diving into something truly exciting, the all-new Honda CR-V 2026. This next-generation model pushes the boundaries of what a modern SUV can be, blending futuristic design, smarter technology, and a driving experience that feels more refined than ever. Honda has taken one of its most successful SUVs and elevated it into something that feels almost like a sneak peek into the future of everyday mobility. So sit back as we uncover everything that makes the 2026 CR-V stand out in its class. Right from the moment you look at it, the 2026 CR-V gives off a bold and confident presence. Honda has sharpened the exterior with a more aerodynamic silhouette, slimmer LED headlights, and a redesigned grille that not only looks modern but also improves airflow. The stance is more athletic, with sculpted lines that sweep from the front to the rear, giving the SUV a sense of motion even when it's standing still. Honda has always aimed for a balance between style and practicality, and once again, they deliver exactly that, a design that looks premium yet still serves everyday functionality. Under the hood, Honda truly starts to show how far they're pushing innovation. The 2026 CR-V continues with a hybrid-first approach, but the new generation introduces an even more efficient hybrid system, offering smoother transitions, stronger torque, and noticeably improved fuel economy. It feels more responsive on the road, especially during quick acceleration or overtaking. For drivers who prefer a traditional powertrain, Honda also offers an updated turbocharged engine with refined tuning for quieter performance and better long-distance efficiency. Whether you're commuting through the city or heading out on a highway adventure, the CR-V 2026 feels composed, stable, and pleasantly confident. Step inside, and the cabin immediately feels more premium than any CR-V before it. Honda has completely redesigned the interior layout, giving it a cleaner, more modern look with soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and improved seating comfort. The center display is larger, sharper, and far more intuitive, packing Honda's latest infotainment system with faster responses and seamless smartphone integration. The driver's digital cluster has also been upgraded with richer graphics and customizable layout options, allowing you to have the most relevant information right where you need it. Honda has clearly focused on making the cabin feel both minimalist and high-tech at the same time. Space has always been a major selling point for the CR-V, and the 2026 model doesn't disappoint. Honda has slightly stretched the dimensions to create more legroom for both rows, offering one of the roomiest cabins in its segment. The cargo area has also been redesigned for better practicality, with improved folding mechanisms and a wider opening that makes loading bigger items easier than ever. Families, travelers, and daily commuters will all appreciate how effortlessly the CR-V adapts to their needs. Technology plays a huge role in the 2026 CR-V, especially when it comes to safety and driver assistance. Honda's sensing has been enhanced with better sensors, smarter radar integration, and more accurate lane-keeping behavior. The adaptive cruise control feels smoother, the emergency braking reacts faster, and the blind spot monitoring covers a wider area. Honda has even added new features like traffic jam pilot assist and intersection safety alerts, pushing the CR-V closer to semi-autonomous capability while keeping everything easy and intuitive for the driver. On the road, the CR-V 2026 feels quieter and more refined thanks to better insulation, improved suspension tuning, and enhanced damping materials. Road noise is significantly reduced, giving the cabin a peaceful, premium feel even on rougher surfaces. The steering feels more precise, the ride is smoother, and overall handling has become